Bring it back.
Welcome back to WPNN. My name is Marie.
And my name is Sky.
Attention, are you or anyone interested in joining Heritage High School's band or even joining band camp to get a feel of things? This announcement is for you.
Whether you are interested in doing percussion, dance, winds, flag, or even being a pianist, we've got you covered. For everyone who joins, Heritage has rookie camp as well as regular band camp.
If you or someone you know interested, we have the dates listed on the screen now. If you would like to join, scan the QR code as well.
You remember what we said about a pianist as well? Heritage is also looking for someone who plays piano. All levels of skills are welcome.
Students, don't forget our HOSA Club and tennis program will be hosting a pickleball tournament fundraiser here Saturday, May 17th.
This will be a fantastic event for anyone to come watch and cheer on teams. All proceeds will help raise money for several clubs and programs.
Panther girls, do you have an interest in playing volleyball next year?
For any girls that are interested in playing next year, there will be a volleyball meeting next Tuesday, May 20th at 6 p.m. in the gym.
Students, please be aware that exams are still going on, so please make sure that you are aware of your test dates, times, and locations.
In senior news, seniors started their senior exams yesterday for first and fourth periods. Monday's senior exams will be periods 2nd, 5th, and 7th. Tuesday's exams will be 3rd and 6th.
Wednesday, May 21st, will be for any necessary senior makeup exams.
Seniors next Thursday, May 22nd, will be the mandatory senior breakfast starting at 9 a.m. inside the Heritage Cafeteria.
After the breakfast, we will proceed into the auditorium where you will find your seat with your name card on it. It's in alphabetical order. We will then practice the walkout lines from the auditorium into the football field and practice the seating procedures.
So dress suitably for the football field in the heat of the day. It gets very hot out there, and we also recommend bringing a water bottle as well. We also practice how to walk from your row to the stage and the procedure for exiting the football field to enter the gymnasium.
Once inside the gymnasium, you will find the table with the letter of your last name on it. The staff member at that table will then give you your guest tickets and regalia. However, on the day of the actual graduation ceremony, when you return to the gymnasium from the football field, you'll find the table with the letter of your last name on it, and the staff member will hand you your diploma.
This is the last time we will say this for the seniors. For any senior going to college or trade school, please make sure you fill out the FAFSA for free money. To start this process, both the student and the parent must create their own FSA ID, and it must be before you can start the FAFSA application.
For anybody who needs help with this process, here are some websites that could help.
Speaking of applications, for any of you who have not yet completed your Bright Futures, visit this website above.
I think I need to visit that website.
Yeah, I think you need to visit that website, girl. Oh yes. You see this back here? Gold. Gold right here.
Wait.
We struck gold.
Thank you, Miss Mazzara.
Thanks, Miss Mazzara. We love you, Miss Mazzara. We love you, Mr. Link, as well, but,
That's all it is for this week. Panthers, thank you for watching, and remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!